Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks, and in this video we're going to be talking about the YouTube Shorts thumbnail problem. I've been uploading YouTube Shorts for a while and I've always been really annoyed that it automatically picks a thumbnail for me. In this video I've found a solution to that problem. If you want to see how to add your own custom thumbnails to your YouTube Shorts, stick around and I'll show you right now. I've been testing out some YouTube Shorts for a while now, and it's really annoyed me that I cannot choose my custom thumbnail. So what you have to do is actually have a thumbnail in the video, because with this method, I'm going to be able to select a frame from the video and use that as the thumbnail. So you can only do it at the moment of uploading, and you cannot do it from a computer, not from a PC, not from a Mac. You can only choose a custom thumbnail if you upload through the smartphone app on iPhone or on Android. You can see that I finally figured it out, because these ones here are what YouTube picked automatically, and none of them look particularly good. But this one here that I just uploaded on this same topic, I got to choose a very nice thumbnail that pops out more. That's what I really wanted. So let's jump over onto my smartphone and I'll show you step by step exactly how to do it. So I have a YouTube short that I made here for my meditation channel, and it's on my computer. I'm just going to send that over to my phone so it's on the photo reel of my phone. You can also do this if you've created the short through the app on your phone as well. So I've just airdropped that short to my phone. Now I want to open up the YouTube app on my phone. This is one of the other channels that I run on meditation audio and things like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the phone app to upload the short. We're going to hit the plus down the bottom, and we're going to go create a short. I'm going to hit the add down the bottom left hand corner, and I'm going to upload this pre-made short that I made on my computer. I'm going to hit done. So because this is a pre-made short, I don't need to do anything else. I'm going to hit the tick to continue on to the next page. That's exactly how I want it to look. Now here is the most important step. You have to hit this little pencil icon on the thumbnail of your video right here. Now, one mistake I've made is I just hit done, because that's the frame I want as my thumbnail right there, because that's what I want people to see on the shorts feed. But if you just hit done, it will actually select a automatic thumbnail for you, and it might select over here, it might select over here. So you actually have to slide to a frame in the video. So I'm going to slide just 1 or 2 seconds into the video, where I'm going to pick something that looks good. I mean, it's all pretty much the same, but if you don't slide that slider, it will not select it for you. You have to physically slide the slider to the point in the video where you want the thumbnail. So you can actually pop the thumbnail that you want as like a ½ second clip at the very end or in the middle. You can put it anywhere, but you have to make sure you choose it with this slider down the bottom. Then hit done. Then what I always do with my shorts, this is a best practice. Instead of having public right here, I select private. So it does not publish the video yet. And then I hit upload short. That way I can then go into the YouTube studio on my computer and I can give it some tags and a better description, and I can give it all the good metadata so it has the best chance of performing really well. I'll show you how to do that right now if you're interested in that also. So here I am in the YouTube studio on my computer, and this is the short that I just uploaded from my phone. And you can see that, yes, it has selected the thumbnail that I wanted right there, which is great. But now I want to go into details before I publish this, and then I can fill out all the other metadata, because it only gives you the title, the option for a title. It doesn't give you the tags and the description and everything else from the phone app. So I'm just going to make a quick description here. Brown noise for anxiety and sleep. This will help it show up in people's search results. So I've given it a quick little description with some of the keywords that I want to rank for, and then I'm going to go pop it in my playlist, which is shorts. And I'm also going to add some keywords. I use TubeBuddy, which automatically helps me get keywords that I want. This is the paid version of TubeBuddy. When you've got the free version, it only shows you the top 10 choices, I think. But I really love this because it automatically suggests tags that are going to be appropriate for this video, and tags, these tags here that are yellow and green are more likely to rank. I'm not going to go too crazy with this. I'm just going to select a bunch of these tags. They all seem fairly good. And now what I can do is I can change it from private and I can select public. That's going to now publish that video when I hit save. So now if I go back to looking at my content, I can see now that is a public video. It's got the thumbnail that I want on it and everything is good. So that is how you fix the YouTube Shorts thumbnail problem. I hope you found this content valuable. If you did, make sure you do subscribe to this channel, and while you're at it, smash the like button and pop in a comment if there's any video topic you would like me to cover in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.